show you more because they pass by our street. Oh my God, those more! Look at it! Those hundreds of them over there. They're gone. Look at it! I'm zoomed in. No, wait, no, I wasn't. Look at it! I'm gonna walk really fast. So cool. Look, it looks like a swarm of bees, if you know. Beehive. They're still coming in. Oh my God, I'm gonna post this on YouTube. This is so amazing. I thought that was the last of it.
Bird community. I hate the bird community.
Oh my God.
And later share on Facebook. My Facebook.
He doesn't use Facebook. That was beautiful.
And this is more beautiful, and
No, it's not. That's the most. Oh, look, those more.
well,
Come on.
Okay, guys, I'll show you if those more. Those are thousands more. Oh my God. It's gonna be like this has already been a minute and 50. Well, a minute and 50 now. Okay. Look at it. It's so beautiful. Ow! Ow! There's so many of them. They're still piling up. I bet there's gonna be more. I bet. This happened the other day. Okay. Bye, guys. I'll see you again with an even better one, because, you know, it happens a lot, actually, to be honest. It's actually really cool.